Let's switch this over to silver. Now, we have done a revision on the daily because it was necessary. Here you could see there are some things in question right over here. So this was the low, the ideal low. You see it right over here where everything was nesting right here and you got all that selling. Beautiful. Then when you get into the rising phase, all the buying, the minor pullback, beautiful Firefly Doji right there made the bottom. We called that when that occurred. And momentum, as you can see, as it moves right in here, and the momentum turned down, and now momentum is starting to turn up. That has me wondering whether or not we have a possible shift over here, because it looked like platinum aligns right there. That wouldn't be that big of a shift if that were the case, and then this whole structure would move out by about 6 weeks. So we're watching that. As it moves up here through the 78.6, it makes it more likely with an upturn here and getting to that point right there. That then is really suggestive that there is a shift right over here. When I look at the daily chart, we have we see this dotted line. That's we're now looking at the 36 and 18 day cycles in there, and there's the gold cycle right there. And then we have expanded these out to be looking at the structures within this 36-day cycle. Minor cycle still in there and in play. As you can see, this cycle right here, and then right here, and then this one here, and the next one there, and then pulling potential of a small pullback right in here. So we just made these structures reflective of this bigger dominant so we could get some better feel for it. Again, here's that 78.6 reevaluation level that would be suggestive of that shift if that were the case. But still lots of resistance up in these areas right over here. This is 2405. This level here is about 2477. So if we're right about the dollar decline, then the dollar advance and the gold pullback, that takes you here to that end of November, beginning of December on gold. This one suggests a declining phase out here that could be somewhat sharp out into mid-November. So you can see they're slightly out of phase in here, looking at gold and silver, and an improved situation in here where you see the negative momentum and the declines, the slim ribbon PO saying that it neutralizes and then turns positive. So the silver condition is better, and looking like, well, it's potentially having made an important low where this low was made back here on the 30th. The picture for dollar strength that we're looking at could really get in the way of an improved situation here, and all I can do is follow these patterns and see what it tells me. Ultimately, I want to be a buyer in silver, but that's just my gut, and I have to see the formations tell me that it's right. So like I've said a number of times in the past, I want to accumulate silver in a slow way because I think somewhere down the road it's going to be it's going to be very different than what it looks like now, and it might take the crash, the breaking of the fantastic bubble in cryptocurrencies before these metals can really become in favor. So right now, an improved situation in the silver market.